Good morning, Junior 1, and welcome to your IPC for today. You have made your medals or your rosettes, and you have now done some research or made your poster for your Olympic Games. Today, the learning goal is I can plan what I am going to do. And is that knowledge, skills, or understanding? Yes, it's a skill. I can or I am able to. Today, you are going to plan your family Olympic session. And you have to decide, do I have an outside space or is it going to be indoors? So that will affect what activities you are going to plan. If you've got a garden, you'll probably be outside. If you don't have a garden, then it's going to have to be things where you use a little bit less space and where you are not going to break stuff. Okay? Have a look at the videos and have a think about what things you could do. A lot of the minute to win it are very good for playing Olympic Games. Yeah, a lot of these things use straws and plastic cups and things like that you might not have in your house anymore. So just see what you've got in your house and make your decision with that. You don't need to have a lot of activities. Okay, some ideas could be building towers. Some ideas could be flicking coins. You could do a three-legged race. You could balance things on your head and use the race that way. You could scooch along on your bottom on a bath mat and have a race that way. What you need to do is you need to see what's in your house and see what the space is so that you can plan the activities. You need to ask your family who can compete and what time works best for them. If the weekend works better for them, then arrange that with them. You can either just gather together all the materials, making sure that you've asked an adult if you can use it, or you can record your plans with pictures and write the rules on paper, ready to give everybody the rules for the games that you have planned. If you need to decorate your medals, you can also do that today. They should be dry. I hope that they're dry. In the small group session today, you can teach, in the small group session tomorrow, you can teach the group one of the events you've arranged. But this evening or this afternoon, you'll have to let us know what materials we'll need to join in with you. Okay, have fun organising your event, and tomorrow, Friday, we'll either join in or you can tell us what you've planned and just present what you're going to be doing. When you've finished, when you actually do your Olympics tomorrow or at the weekend, take some short videos and put them on the Google Classroom to show us how much fun you've had and even see who has got the medals, the gold medals for whichever activities you've organised. Have a great time, and there won't probably be a video for tomorrow because you know what you're doing. Okay, bye for now, guys.